So today, I will do the second activity or the second experiment in biochemistry laboratory, which is the breaking proteins. So the materials that we will use in breaking proteins are, so 4 glass of container. So as you can see, it is transparent. So later, we will see what's happened when we break the proteins. So next is the measuring cup. Then fork, a pair of scissors, alcohol, and the top water. The hot water will be added later when it starts so that it doesn't cool down. So I will cut this egg white into 4 so that it will equally divided.
A few moments later.
So for the first glass container, I will add 1/2 cup of tap water. So for the second glass container, which is alcohol, so I will add 1/3 cup of alcohol. Okay lang ba maubos to, pre?
Go lang.
For the third glass container, so I will put a 1/2 cup of hot water. So after putting the different kind of treatment in that 4 glass container, so let's now pour the egg white on each glasses. So as you can see, I didn't add anything on the 4th glass, which is the controlled. So now, let's find out what will happen next.
Go.
So after pouring the egg, we will just wait for 25 seconds. So this is the first treatment. So as you can see, when we add the white egg or the white raw egg on the first glass container which contained the hot water, so if you will notice, it will get denatured. So when I stirred it for more than 5 minutes, so the original color of the egg white turns into white. When the gel-like structure of the egg white becomes like a rubber. So in this treatment, which is on the top water, so I observe that there are some changes. So you can see the unfolded shape of the protein, and also you will notice that the egg white or the raw egg white somehow change its color. So from clear to a white, and also you will see that the egg white also occupies space. So for the third treatment is the alcohol and the egg white. So as you can see, when I add the white egg on the alcohol, so and stirred it for a minute, so the proteins get denatured and the egg loses its properties and structures and aren't able to return to its former state. So for the fourth glass, it is the control. So I didn't put any treatment on the glass, but I put only a white egg.
So now, we will wait for 30 minutes to see the final results of this experiment.
Many tic tacs later.
Of breaking protein in different kind of glass. Ay, waiting ko.
Pakita mo.
So the final result in hot water,
Hot water.
in hot water,
I-ano mo, i-view mo dito. Yan. Next.
and the results in the top water, and the results in alcohol,
Ay.
so in this glass container,
So as you can see on the first glass container, which is the hot water, so it changed. So it gets denatured. So because on the hot water, so everything can cook. So absolutely, the white eggs cook or gets denatured in the hot water. So while on the top water, so maybe it changed a little, but not as stronger as on the top on the hot water. So while on the alcohol, so you will notice the difference between the three. So on the alcohol, the proteins break down or break or fall apart. So and what I have said a while ago. So in the alcohol treatment, so the egg so disrupt or destroyed its original properties or structures and aren't able to return to its original state. For the control treatment, so I didn't add anything on that glass. So the purpose of that is for us to know the original structures of protein of the egg white if we didn't added it to a different kind of treatment.